Morning world, back at the farm job today. We've got, hopefully, going to get it all finished by Friday. I've got a few bits of electrics left to do. The trench is all filled back in, so big day today, plastering. The lads are getting on, look, Shawnee. So the scrim's all going on. Bonding's all been done. It's like a grey bonding, weird. But yeah, walls, fireplace has all been bricked up now, brought out. Looking very good. Self levelers been going down. We've been doing this in the last job in the evenings. It's got to have an underfloor heating at some point all the way through. So yeah, pretty big day I reckon. Like I say, we're going to try and get out of here by the end of the week, so whether that's possible or not is all good. So in between I'll be doing some plastering today, helping the lads, giving them a chuck on there, in between finalising some of the electrics and stuff there. I've got a few bits in the board left to do. Change one of the breakers because I need to just get the power on for one of the outbuildings as a temporary thing until I got the right breaker. So yeah, it's been some long old days, so I'm pretty knackered. So yeah, so I'll try and show you as much as I can as what we're doing. Obviously I'm not filming going around the house on the inside because the homeowners, they don't really want me to do that, and to be honest I don't think it's right anyway. I don't want to walk around the house and show you the rooms and all that. Like, nobody needs to see that. It's, you know, a bit of level of privacy and all that. So yeah, so if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I do really appreciate it. Links in the corner if you didn't know. But yeah, I'll show you this it's gonna be a long old day. So yeah, cheers for watching, thank you. Right, that's the board done now and plastering. We've got the big massive ceilings all done and the major massive walls done today so far. Some absolutely, it's been roasting as well, not ideal condition for plastering. It's been a bit warm, Lewis, isn't it? Yeah. Bit warm. So tomorrow, last jobs hopefully. Second fix this lot, downlights all in. We've got some self-leveler to go down in a minute. We're gonna, because we've been building it up all along here, because this has had, I think, 6 bags of the deep fill so far. But today, or before we go, we're gonna do a full lot of the whole bit here. Get that completely covered, and then if we need any more after we've done this lot, I'll pick some up in the morning. But yeah, so tomorrow's going to be a massive day to try and get everything done. We've now got to do an additional bit of plastering. We weren't really going to do anything in here, but because it was all a bit manky, we're going to have to skim this a little bit out. The stitchings, I think you saw that before, that was all up this bit here. That's what Lewis did that chase for the other day. Stitch kit went all in, so that's the same as upstairs. There's my cutters, been looking for those. Yeah, they were fun doing all the plastering around those arches. So overall very, very hot and sweaty. So yeah, I'm going to show you the self-leveler now. And then it's a day and a half tomorrow. I think it's going to be another long one. So I shall show you that in a second. The stipple brush king. Love the show. Quite therapeutic watching that. Watching that guy go. Look at him go.
That thing there.
Look, Lewis, there's a bit in it. Oh.
That's how you treat the apprentices. Except for Sean, didn't even make it outside. Stipple King's in.
Are you multitasking?
I'm multitasking. Look, I'm literally cameraman and I'm stipple. I don't know how these cameramen claim that as a full-time job. This is what they're doing. I've got to just control the camera. See, I'm getting the best shots of you, and I'm using the stipple brush. So there's a bit there, Shawnee. It's a bit weird. There, it feels weird. And the roller.
That's your problem, isn't it?
Well, it's not my problem, but yeah, I can make it my problem. There you go.
Whoa! No, loads of bits.
Oh, Sean. Somebody not clean.
Check on it.
Didn't somebody not cleaned up properly, Sean? Where's he gone? Lewis? Has he ran off?
He's done a runner.
You take him more. Yeah, just chuck him in the bucket, mate. I've done. We're really seeing kick off then. It'll be good for the channel, that. Work it. Grass is.
Oh, grass coming.
No, I think we're working on a farm. Come on, Sean.
No bits in here, Lewis. Be careful. He's on the edge.
I think it's the heat's got to Shawnee today.
Mine
He's aggro king today.
I don't know, you should have seen Steve in that cupboard an hour ago.
Were you losing your temper, Stephen?
He was
No.
not happy.
Well,
I had to get out, I was literally afraid for my life.
were you fearful?
Like, on those couple of occasions.
I've got to try and get all the way over there now. Wait, Mr. Tumble. Mr. Tumble's in. Oh, look at the tip of the port. Yeah, the idea behind the stipple brush is to take air out, just in case people think, "Look, what are you doing?" It's to take air out of the self-leveler. It's not, I just do it for fun. Look at the magic. Lewis looks nervous. We found some bits that you haven't cleaned up. How'd you feel about that? Sean did it with you, that's alright, blame the boss. That's the key. It's your fault, Sean, he said. It's your fault.
Unbelievable.
He said.
It sounds like you told him on.
I know, yeah.
Again, another apprentice.
All apprentices alone.
Yes, I have a tendency for it's never my fault. And I think Lewis has picked up the lovely habit. And you know, it's alright, I don't pick on you. It's fine. Stand your ground. He's aggro today anyway. It's definitely the heat. It's definitely the heat, I'd say. Coming in hot.
There's some models on this trowel this week.
It's earned its money, that trowel, isn't it? How would you feel about it if I'd skagged this wall and dragged a load of stuff into it?
Well, depends if you want to do some plastering tomorrow.
Well, I haven't. I've avoided. I've been a good boy. I was tempted, and then I thought I'm actually just scuppering myself just for fun. I don't really want to be doing that. Lovely job there, Shawnee. Leave that there. Right, I'm sure you don't want to be watching us do the rest of all of this. So we'll crack on with this. Get this sorted, and then I'll show you once it's all done before we leave. Right, catch you in a bit, cheers. Right, that's all done now. I think we're going to need some more. So I think it's not quite enough down that end. Right, the lads are wanting to board me in. Come out the way. So, plan for tomorrow is downlights going in, all the second fix electrics to be done. Skip's coming tomorrow, Lewis, isn't it? Hopefully. I don't know when the hell that's coming, so we can get all this rubbish gone. Plastering, I think the lads are on the rest of the plastering. Sean's a bit dirty. You're dirty, aren't you, Sean?
Very, very dirty.
Very dirty boy. Yeah, so the plastering is it's got to be done tomorrow. There's a bit upstairs where we put the stitch kit in upstairs. An upstairs bedroom to do, but yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button in the corners, ring the little bell, and I shall catch you on the next one. Cheers.